Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam questions. The first one is the number is 44. Look at the blackboard. Look at the book. So here, if a man travels at a speed of 30 kilometers, travels yatra karandi, he reaches his destination. Reaches means पहुँचे, destination means लक्ष्य स्थल रे. He reaches his destination 10 minutes late, and he travels at a speed of 42 kilometers. He reaches his destination 10 minutes early. The distance traveled is, what is the distance? We are asked to calculate. ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଯଦି ଘଣ୍ଟା ପ୍ରତି 30 କିଲୋମିଟର ବେଗରେ ଯାଏ ତେବେ ସେ ତା'ର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟସ୍ଥଳରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଡେଷ୍ଟିନେସନରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ଇଟ୍ ଟେକ୍ସ ହି ଇଜ୍ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ସ ଲେଟ୍, 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ବିଳମ୍ବ ହେଇଯାଉଛି। ଯଦି 42 କିଲୋମିଟର୍ସ ବେଗରେ ଯାଏ ତ ସିଏ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ସ ଏର୍ଲି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଉଛି। ତ ଇନ୍ ଇଚ୍ କେସ୍ ଡେଷ୍ଟିନେସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସେମ୍, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସ୍ଥଳରେ ଦୂରତାଟା ସମାନ। So distance is equal to what? Tell me. Formula. Distance is equal to?
Speed into time.
Yeah, this speed into time. Right? So first, let's calculate. First one. That is speed how many? The first distance 30 into what? Time means what? Time means T plus 160. Second, D is equal to 40 into 42. That is 42 into T minus 160. Okay. So this distance. So D implies that 30 into T plus 160 is equal to 42 into T, look at the blackboard, minus 1 upon 60. Right? तो आम देखा दिस इज LHS, that this is LHS, this is RHS. तो you know 30 is divided by 6, 42 is divided by 6. So now let's divide both by 6. Dida go 6 re harda, 6 5 da, 6 7 da. Okay, implies that multiply kariba, 5t means 5t, right, plus 5 upon 6 is equal to 7t minus 7 upon 6, right? Implies that 5t minus 7t is equal to, what did I say? Minus 7 upon 6, right? Minus 5 upon 6. Ekan plus thila second minus ହେଇଯାନି, right? Implies that 5t minus 7t, we can't subtract it. କରିପାରିବା କି? ଏଣୁକରି ଆମେ ମାଇନସ୍ ଚିହ୍ନ ରଖିଦେବା। ତ ମାଇନସ୍ 2t, ରାଇଟ୍, ଇଜ୍ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ 6 minus 7 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 12 upon 6. Minus cancelled, 6 2 the, right? That means 2t is equal to 2. They implies that 2 is equal to t is equal to 1. Answer is 1. ଆଉ ଥରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିଦେଇ, ଆମକୁ ସେ ଦେଲା କ'ଣ, ପ୍ରଥମେ 30 କିଲୋମିଟର ଯିବାରେ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଉଛି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟସ୍ଥଳରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ। 42 କିଲୋମିଟର ଯିବ ମାନେ ତାକୁ କେତେ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ସହଳ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଉଛି। ତ ଆମେ ଟାଇମ୍ଟା ଦେଖିବା। ଟାଇମ୍ଟା ହେଲା t ପ୍ଲସ୍ 10 upon 60. 10 minutes means how many hours? 10 upon 60. That is 10 upon 60. 0 0 cancelled, so it becomes a 1 upon 6, right? Next 42 kilometers speed, time t minus 1/6. दीटा केस दूरता गोटे ना, so our distance formula is your speed into time. So this is the first speed, this is the distance, this is also distance, both are same. So this is equal to this one, right? That means 30 सेटार अर्थ है 30 into t plus 1/6 is equal to 42 into t minus 1/6. तब डिवाइड कर देले, सिंप्लीफाई कर देले, तो यू गेट द आंसर, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज इट? लुक एट योर बुक, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. ए पैसेंजर ट्रेन, there are two types of train. One is goods train, another is passenger train. goods train जो माल बुहा गाड़ी, पैसेंजर ट्रेन यात्री बुहा गाड़ी, यात्री ट्रेन माल ट्रेन, पैसेंजर ट्रेन गुड्स ट्रेन.
जिनिस पया गोटे ट्रेन आ गोटे
या ओके. Look at your book. A passenger train running at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour leaves a railway station 6 hours after a goods train. Here's a goods train. Look at the goods train. Goods train leaves and overtakes it in 4 hours. What is the speed of the goods train? Right? So here mark that speed of passenger train is equal to P train, passenger train, that is P train is equal to how what? 80 kilometer per hour, right? Speed of the passenger train is 80 kilometer per hour. Time taken by passenger train is 4 hours. T is equal to 4 hours, right? Again, let the speed of second good. The speed of goods train is not given. तब एगोटा देनी गुड्स ट्रेन रा, तो लेट धरिनी लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द गुड्स ट्रेन इज व्हाट? वाई लेट द एस ऑफ गुड्स ट्रेन
बी
इज इक्वल टू v और y. व्हाट इज गिवन? v. Okay, this is v, right? And time taken is time is equal how many? टाइम 6 hours प्लस 4 hours. बोले दीटा गोटे ट्रेन छाड़देला, बाहर पड़ला, माने सेकेंड ट्रेन बाहर, गुड्स ट्रेन बाहर फर्स्ट द गुड्स ट्रेन स्टार्टेड जर्नी प्रथम. आफ्टर 6 hours द सेकेंड ट्रेन, दैट इज ए पैसेंजर ट्रेन, स्टार्टेड इट्स जर्नी. अरे 6 घंटा अगेन दिस पैसेंजर ट्रेन ओवर टू द goods train 4 hours. 6 plus 4 is how many? 10 hours. So goods train traveled for 10 hours. Okay, passenger train traveled for 4 hours, but the goods train traveled for 10 hours. So here d is equal to distance is equal to, look at the bar, distance is equal to the speed and time, 8 into 4. Here distance is equal to v into 10. Okay, speed v nature and this is the time, speed into time. Durata same na, distance is the same. So now d is equal to what? V, that is v into 10 is equal to 8 into 4, right? V is 10 is equal to 8 into 4. Here implies that v is equal to 8. Can you guna na? It is multiplied. We will take it to the right hand side and it will become division. Here it is a top number, numerator. It will become denominator in RHS. So 80 into 4 upon 10. 0 0 cancel. That means 32 kilometers. So distance is what? So fastest speed is equal to what? The fastest speed is equal to the distance is equal to what?
32 kilometer.
Yeah, distance is equal to 32 kilometer. ଆଉ ଥରେ ମନେ ପକାଇଦେବା ଇନ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସିଏ କହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ପ୍ରଥମେ ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିଲା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ୍ସ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ୍ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣି ପ୍ରଥମେ କଲା ଆଫ୍ଟର 6 hours ଏ ପାସେଞ୍ଜର ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ୍ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣି 6 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ एंड ओवरटुक दी गुड्स ट्रेन इन 4 hours. तो 10 इन 4 hours किए जर्नी करछि गुड्स ट्रेन 10 hours जर्नी करछि बट पैसेंजर ट्रेन हाउ मेनी hours? जस्ट 4 hours. तो पैसेंजर ट्रेन स्पीड इज गिवन बट गुड्स ट्रेन स्पीड इज नॉट गिवन. लेट फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज द स्पीड of the goods train is equal to v, right? So in both cases see distance is equal to 8 distance speed into time. So this is the speed 80 and 4 is time, right? In second case distance is equal to v into 10, right? So distance is equal to this one is equal to this one, this, right? This one is equal to this one. So that is v into 10 is equal to 80 into 4, right? That means v is equal to 80 into 4 upon 10 is equal to, when simplified, the answer comes 32. Okay, done. Now let's move to the next sum. What is that? Question number
46.
What sum will amount to 6,600 in 4 years at what? 8% per annum simple interest. What is asked? Principal is asked. What is given? What are given? Amount. Just 1 minute. A is equal to what? P plus I is equal to A is equal to amount माने समूल सुध. So P मूलधन plus interest. Amount is equal to how many? 6600, right? Okay. Then time T is equal to how many? 4 years, right? Next rate is equal to how many?
8%.
8%, right? So let's make an equation. We shall do the equation. Look at this. For example, P is let P is equal to P. What did I say? 8%. Let P is equal to P. Let P is equal to P. Right? So that means A means what? P plus I is equal to P plus I is equal to. Could you understand? Just 1 minute. So I is equal to what? Tell me.
P into PRT by
PTR upon 100, right? PTR upon 100. Okay. So that means what? SI means simple interest means I means what? I is equal to
interest.
what? Interest is equal to what? Formula. Tell me.
Principal
Yes. PR.
RT upon 100.
Yes. Amount is equal to, you know, leave it. Right? That means A is equal to A is equal to P plus PT PTR upon 100. Right? A means this is the interest, this is the principal. এটা মূলধন এটা ইন্টারেস্ট এই দুইটা আগে মিশিলে সমলে সুদ হচ্ছে না নাও লেটস ডু ইট ইমপ্লাইজ দ্যাট এ ইজ ইকুয়াল হাউ মেনি 6600 is equal to P we don't know plus PTR P we don't know into T how many 4 years rate 8 upon 100. Right? So first 4 implies that 60 right is equal to 100 P plus 32 P upon 100. King diala tell me. Either किस नहीं बोले denominator 1 so LCM is equal to 100. Right? 100 into P is equal to 100 P plus 38 into 4 is equal to 30 P. So more 100 P implies that just 1 minute. So implies that okay, that implies that 6,600 is equal to 132 P upon 100. Right? Or we can say 132 P upon 100 is equal to 6,600. Right? Then P is equal to 6,000 into 100 upon 132. Right? So 66 100 ये 2 दा 250 is equal to 5,000. Answer is 5,000. Answer is 5,000. Right? बुझा बोलाने can't understand. Let's do it again in Oriya. So ସମଳ ସୁଧ ଦେଇଛି amount ଦେଇଛି ସମଳ ସୁଧ is equal to କ'ଣ amount is equal to P plus what interest. Right? Implies that P plus interest सूत्र कुआ tell me interest is equal to what ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଆଇଟା କାଟିଦେଲି ତା ସୂତ୍ରଟା ପକେଇଦେଲି PTR upon 100 ବୁଝା ପଡ଼ିଲା କ'ଣ କଲି ଏ ଆଇର ସୂତ୍ରଟା ପକେଇଦେଲି ଏଇଠି ଏ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିଦେଲି ଆଇଟା ତା ଫର୍ମୁଲାଟା ପକେଇଦେଲି implies that A is equal to A ମାନେ ସମଳ ସୁଧ is equal to what P plus PTR upon 100. Right? Value add କରିଦେବା implies that A is equal to how many 6,600. Right? is equal to P we don't know ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ P ଟା ଜାଣିଛେ ଦେଇନି ନା it is not given it is asked ମଗା ଯାଇଛି it is not given it is asked. Right? So P plus P time is equal to what how many years 4 years 4 years rate 8%. Right? 100 implies that 6,600 is equal to P plus what 32 P upon 100 implies that 6,600 is equal to loss ಆಗೋ 100 loss ಆಗೋ P ରେ ଗୁଣି ଦେବା. Right? तो इट्स डिनोमिनेटर दिस वन आपको 100 को डिनोमिनेटर हरिवा 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इक्वल 100 नेक्स्ट p इंटू 100 इक्वल 100 p 100 p प्लस 32 p implies that 6600 is equal to how many pieces? 100 pieces, 32 pieces. How many pieces?
100.
132 pieces. 132 pieces upon 100. Right? Implies that 132p is equal to by 100 is equal to 6600. That means p is equal to 6600 into 100 upon 162. 6600 da 662 da 250 da. So 50 100 into 100 into 50 100 into 50 is equal to how many? 5000. How many? 5000. So answer is 5000. So P Muladhana is equal to 5000. Next question number how many? 47. What is given?
5,000.
What is given?
5,045
grams is equal to how many? How many kilo? 5 kilo. 1000 is equal to 1 kilo. 5000 is equal to 5 kilo. Kilogram. And what is 045 gram? Okay. That means 5 kg 45 gram. Which is the correct mark? Which is correct? 5 kg 40 B is correct. Right? What did I say? B is correct. Right? Now let's move to the next question. What is that? 48. How many rectangular slabs of rectangular वाले आयताकार rectangular slab of 10 cm into 80 cm are required to cover the floor of a hall of 12 meter into 12 meter. तो look, एटा this is our floor. एटा होची आम घरटा आरे फ्लोरटा जे एटा टाइल पड़छि ना नहीं. अच्छा ए टाइल रो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ देई दीची केते देइची इज गिवन लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आर गिवन 10 cm and 8 cm. This is 10 cm, this is 80 cm. The length of this room, this floor is 12 meter and 10 meter. Right? So we are asked to calculate how many slabs are required to cover it. एटा कवर करिया पई केतुडा मु दरकार पड़ियो. तो डिवाइड कर देबा. The area of floor upon the area of the slab is equal to your numbers. Right? What did I say? The area of the floor upon the area of the slab is equal to your answer. So look at your book. First semi is given and also meter is given. Right? Semi is given, meter is given. So floor L is equal to how many? 12 meter. 12 meter, that is 1200 cm. Right? Similarly, floor B is equal to given, that is what? 10 meter is equal to 1000 cm. Right? Next, slab length L is equal to how many? Tell me. How many? 10 cm. B 8 cm. Right? So our number of slab is the number of slab S is equal to what? Area of floor by area of slab, that is 1200 into 1000 upon what? 10 into 8. You understand? 0 0 cancelled. 4 to the 4 300. Next
250 da.
250
To the
to the 150. So is equal to how many? 150,000. How many?
15,000.
15,000. That is not a 1. This is 15,000 and the right answer is 15,000. आम कौन कले? फ्लोर लेंथ ब्रेथ देइथिला, स्लाब रो लेंथ ब्रेथ देइथिला. तो फ्लोर रे केतरा स्लाब लागियो माने फ्लोर रो क्षेत्रफल बाई स्लाब रो क्षेत्रफल इज नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स, राइट? ओके, थैंक यू. So that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss about it in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.